Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a couple of my favorite fractionated coconut oil recipes. First, my concentration rollerball blend. You'll need fractionated coconut oil and a few essential oils that I'll list as we go. I start with a tablespoon of fractionated coconut oil, 2 to 3 drops of peppermint, 2 to 3 drops of tangerine, 2 to 3 drops of rosemary, and 2 to 3 drops of grapefruit. Make sure you close your rollerball tightly, give it a little shake, and then apply it at your wrists and or temples. Now I'm going to show you how to make a hair recovery spray. You'll need 1/4 cup of distilled water, 1 tablespoon of fractionated coconut oil, 3 drops of rosemary, 5 drops of lavender, and 2 to 3 drops of lemon. Now these essential oils work as great cleansers since the chemicals in so many pools can really wreak havoc on your locks. Just give your bottle a shake, spray from roots to ends, and enjoy your summer, guys.